Have you ever stopped to think what actually is time? We measure it, we live by it, but what is it made of? It's a question that has puzzled physicists for centuries, and the answers are both fascinating and a little bit mind-bending. Let's start with what most physicists agree on. Thanks to Einstein, we know time isn't a constant, universal clock ticking away at the same rate for everyone. Instead, time is woven together with space to form a four-dimensional fabric called space-time. Massive objects like planets and stars warp this fabric. The stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. This isn't just a theory, it's a measurable fact. GPS satellites have to constantly adjust their clocks because time runs slightly faster for them in orbit than it does for us here on Earth. So, in a way, time is relative. Your experience of time depends on how fast you're moving and the gravity you're experiencing. Now, for the really trippy part, what physicists don't agree on. The biggest mystery is why time seems to have a direction. We remember the past, but not the future. This is often called the arrow of time. One leading idea is linked to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy, or disorder, in the universe always increases. Think about it. It's easy to scramble an egg, but impossible to unscramble it. The universe is constantly moving from a state of order to disorder, and this forward march of entropy might be what gives time its direction. But here's where it gets even weirder. At the quantum level, the fundamental laws of physics don't seem to care about the direction of time. Most equations work just as well forward as they do backward. So is time a fundamental property of the universe, or is it an emergent phenomenon that only appears on a larger scale, like temperature or pressure? Some theories even suggest that time isn't continuous at all, but is made of tiny discrete chunks called Planck times, like pixels on a screen. At this tiniest of scales, the very concept of before and after might break down completely. So what is time made of? The honest answer is, we don't fully know yet. It's part of the fabric of space-time. It's influenced by gravity, and its forward motion might be tied to the universe's growing disorder. But whether it's fundamental or just an illusion, it's one of the deepest and most exciting mysteries in all of science. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending science. See you next time.